Hi guys, good morning. Doug here, Doug's World Tour, with a little vending recap of American Changer number AC-400. It's kind of our baby unit here, as you can see, and I'm going to run it through its courses before we ship it off to the next potential customer. Alright, I think we're organized here. Alright, AC-400 takes dollar bills only. No fives. It does have decals stating that. Guys, this is a great changer for if you have a couple of pinball machines in the back room of a location, a couple of pool tables, even at home. If you want to dispense quarters or tokens, this is a stackerless. I'm going to go through the courses here handheld. I'm having a little trouble with my... Maybe I won't. Alright, I'm hoping we can all see. I apologize, my tripod just really grips the lower mount and I can't do anything about it. But anyways, let's get a little close up here inside. It has a standard hopper that they put in the AC-400s, the AC-500s. It holds roughly 800 quarters, $200 worth. We're going to fill this one up, or at least put enough coins in it to get it to run. Alright, see if I can get in on the, find the on-off switch, which is here. Okay, this would also be a good machine for bulk racks. Alright, unless there was any coins left over, which there was not, there are 4 coins. Tried a couple of times just to be sure. Alright, done this for a while now. It's almost to the point where I can kind of hear how many coins come out. I think what we're going to do on some of these used and definitely the refurbished machines is we are going to give a video showing the buyer, the potential buyer, that in fact these were working well when they were shipped and should continue to work well. Let me give you the basic dimensions here. It is 8.5 wide, almost 19 tall, about 18 3/4, and the depth of the cabinet is 10 inches. However, you better allow another 1.5 inches for the depth of the validator bezel, so about 11.5 inches. So once again, guys, I'm going to put a link on our site to where this little guy is listed and where you can see. Now, as you can see, I'm trying to get the serial number tag here. As you can see, this is a stackerless validator. There's the serial number, AC-400. This is going to be upside down. However, this is a pyramid bill validator. This is the Apex model, and like I said, it's upside down only because I can't move my camera with the tripod. And everything else is very dependable, standard changer equipped. It's got an on-off switch back here. It's got some LEDs for your troubleshooting, and all the bills lay in the machine just like that. There's no stackers. So anyways, guys, if you have any interest in this one, the link to purchase it is on the bottom. And that link will also take you to our site, and we have many more refurbished pieces of equipment as well as brand new. So there you have it, guys. American Changer AC-400. We hope you enjoyed our little brief show here, and more to come. For now, Doug's World Tour, out.